Last May 8, 2010, Artist Co presented itself to the media and introduced the activities lined up for this year. Artist Co is an artists and musicians marketing cooperative composed of musicians, artists, and entrepreneurs in the creative field. Naa kay hinimong kanta diha, padungga ang tibuok Sugbo. Vispop, or Visayan Pop Songwriting Competition, was also officially launched during the press con. Vispop isn't just another songwriting contest. It is a songwriting campaign. Together with the launching of Vispop, born diva Rocky Vega promoted her newest single, We Will Rise Again, which aimed to inspire hope and restore optimism amongst a calamity-stricken Philippines.
We're inviting everyone, all our Cebuano songwriters out there. Paliog, submit sa inyong mga kanta sa Vispop. You can check out our website at vispop.multiply.com. All our rules and regulations are there. You can also download our entry forms there. Deadline of submission is on August 14, 2010. So we hope that you join our competition.
Yes, hello. I'm very, very excited to share this new single. It's called We Will Rise Again. It all started with that song because I felt that I had to do something about this. The gist of the song is really about nation building, and it is to remind every Filipino that it is not about the politician, it is not about a certain candidate, but it's about us, the people, who rise again from all the adversities, that we will work as a nation and we will all grow as a nation.
Aside from the monetary results of Artist Co, which by the way you will get at the end of the year, you will be part of a community of artists and entrepreneurs, and here you can also contribute so we can pool our resources together.
Okay, Artist Co is a cooperative for artists, musicians, and also entrepreneurs formed together in the hope of building wealth, not only about financial wealth but also other types of wealth, social wealth, physical wealth, knowledge, skills, and all that stuff. And we try to collaborate with each other, try to contribute our skills, what we have, come up with projects all together, and try to make money out of that.
So, what is Artist Co?
Artist Co. Ang Artist Co, usa ka grupo
Komunidad
sa mga artists, mga musikero, photographer, mambabalak, mga writers, o mga entrepreneurs.
We promote our products, our art, and our businesses. And we make it fair for everyone.
Muramig nagbayanihan, good.
We help each other out. That is what we are about.
We take our art further.
Dili lang taman sa pagbugna, kundi lakip na ang pagkat-on sa mga epektibong pamaagi.
Sa pagpakita o pagpamaligya ni ini. Yes, we are legal.
Very legal.
So, ay pangutana?
Dali, atong storyaan.
Artist Co, artist ka.
Kuyog ta! Kuyog ta! Kuyog ta!
Kuyog ta!
Kuyog ta!
Kuyog ta!
Ikaw na ang paglaon.